Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So you might be asking, why is Honda not selling the new 2023 Honda Civic Type R right now? Well, just announced that Honda is putting a stop sell on the new 2023 Honda Civic Type R due to the driver's seat. You might be asking, what's the issue with it? Well, they found that faulty welds in the seat cushion on the bottom on the frame. The welds are faulty. So, of course, what could happen with that is, in the event of an accident, the seat could actually come apart, since the welds are weak and not up to standard. So in the event of a major crash, the seat could actually break off where it mounts up to. And of course, that would be kind of catastrophic. So this just came out 2 days ago. So as of right now, they aren't selling any more Civic Type Rs. And another thing that they were saying is, even without it breaking, they said that improper manufacturing could also lead to squeaking and rattling noises that a lot of people with Civic Type Rs have been noting happens on the driver's seat, that it'll squeak and rattle because it's allowing the frame to flex because of the improper welding. So that's interesting to know. And they've been having issues since last November. So you're talking 4 or 5 months now. So something to take note of. And as of right now, they don't have a specific VIN range or build window to know exactly how many are affected. So what they're doing is they're going to start notifying owners of Civic Type Rs in mid-May of this year. So another month, about a month and a half now. So if you guys have a Civic Type R, definitely pay attention to this one. You guys pay good money for that car. Last thing you want, especially even if it's not in rattling or something, but that's kind of a major problem if it's not welded properly. But the problem right now is that Honda says that they don't have the parts available to do the repair yet. So as you know, with everything's gone on the last couple of years, parts are hard to come by. Well, it says the same thing. It says that the parts for the repair are not available yet, and Honda will not begin notifying owners until mid-May. So the stop sell is dated starting on March 31st. So that just happened a few days ago. So if you're in the market for one, the dealer's going to tell you that they can't sell them until, right now it's saying until further notice. But what it really means is when the repair is set and completed. So they don't even know when they're going to have the parts to do all this and how many cars exactly. But it's making you think it's a decent amount if they have to get enough parts to be able to fix these things too. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. It's kind of, it was new to me. I never heard of something like that before. But it's a major one, like I said, and especially on the Civic Type R, they're great handling cars. They're really built for performance. So going around corners and stuff where you're going to have more pressure on the seats, it's kind of a big deal. So again, I wanted to keep you guys in the loop on these things. Like I said, there's been a lot lately of some Hondas, and it's always, like I was saying, around the newer models, from 2020 to current, some issues popping up. And as we know, things got kind of weird with the shutdown and all that kind of stuff going on. So it's to be expected, but also just want to keep you guys so you can keep your cars in top shape, keep you guys safe. Again, let me know in the comments if you guys heard about this. This is the first time I've ever seen it. But like I said, it's a big deal. So they will fix it, of course, but mid-May. So if you have a squeak or rattle in your driver's seat, it could definitely be related to this. Since that's what Honda is saying, it could lead to the noises, and then the catastrophic situation, a bad accident, it could actually have the seat come off because the frame's not welded correctly. So again, hope that'll give you guys some insight if you do own that car. Again, pay attention. Mid-May, you should be hearing about it. And if you don't hear anything in mid-May, definitely call your dealer. If they don't, they should know about this. And ask them if yours is affected. By then they'll know as far as the VIN goes, if it is. So you're not just waiting around for a letter in the mail. You know, be proactive with it, and so you can get it taken care of. And if you're in the market to buy one, well, now you'll know, if you go to the dealer, they won't sell it to you since March 31st until further notice, until they have these fixed. So I'm sure Honda's working hard to get this done, especially since they want to sell them. So again, hope that helps you guys out. Again, let me know in the comment section if you've heard this before, if you have any issues with it, I'd like to know about it. I appreciate you guys, I really do. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, everybody.